When your basement Watchdog Sump pump alarm sounds, immediate action is essential to prevent basement flooding. The alarm serves as your first line of defense against water damage. The alarm typically indicates problems with three main components: the primary AC pump, the battery system, or the float switch mechanism. Battery maintenance is crucial for reliable operation. Start by checking battery terminals for corrosion, which appears as a blue-green buildup that can prevent proper electrical connection. Lead-acid batteries require regular fluid level checks. Add only distilled water to maintain proper electrolyte levels. Never use tap water as it contains minerals that can damage the battery. Modern AGM batteries eliminate maintenance concerns. These sealed batteries are maintenance-free and don't require fluid checks, making them ideal for backup sump pump systems. Power outages account for approximately 40% of sump pump failures. This statistic highlights why a functional battery backup system is absolutely essential for basement protection. If the alarm persists after replacing the battery, the problem may be a faulty sensor or circuit board. These electronic components can fail over time and require professional diagnosis. Smart sump pump systems represent the future of basement protection. These systems provide remote alerts via smartphone apps, keeping you informed of potential issues even when you're away from home. Float switch inspection is critical for proper sump pump operation. The float switch must move freely without any obstructions to activate the pump when water levels rise. Dual float switches provide added reliability to your sump pump system. If one float switch fails, the second one can still activate the pump, preventing potential flooding. If your backup pump activates, but the main pump doesn't respond, this indicates a problem with either the main pump's float switch or the basement watchdog system itself. Regular maintenance is essential to prevent sump pump failures. Clear debris regularly, test the pump operation, and inspect all components to ensure proper function. Certain warning signs indicate you should call a professional immediately. These include constant pump operation, standing water in the basement, or unusual noises from the pump system. Modern predictive maintenance systems are becoming more common, offering early warnings of declining pump performance. These smart systems can alert you before failures occur, allowing for timely maintenance and replacements. Remember, regular maintenance is the key to preventing major problems and ensuring your sump pump system functions correctly when you need it most.